What's up, everybody? Novelty back at you again. Today we are going to be doing something that I've never done before. I'm going to be cooking some mussels. These, you have to steam them in a pot on high heat for about 5 minutes. It says always cook from a frozen state. So I'm just going to throw them in this pot here, steam them for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to take them and put them in another pan with some other vegetables and some spices. So we'll see how this turns out. So we got our mussels in the pot here. I got it on pretty high heat. This is the other pan I'm going to transfer it to after they're done cooking. Just squeeze some fresh lime on there. Give it some nice flavor. And we are going to cover this and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, so we got our mussels almost done here. I'm going to turn on the heat for this pan. You see them right here? I'm just going to turn the heat off because it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to let these sit. I don't think they can overcook, but you know, just to be safe, I'm actually going to cook this on here. So this is our little vegetable concoction we're going to serve with the mussels. We got tomato, artichoke hearts, onions. We got poblano pepper, lima beans, garlic. Got a little jalapeno in there. And we, hit it with a bunch of generously with spices, turmeric, cayenne, red chili flakes. It's gonna be spicy, I always make my shit spicy. These boys are looking good in here. Oh yeah, fogging up the camera. Let me try one quick. See how it tastes. It's pretty good. Obviously not the best plain, but good texture. I think I cooked them just right. Not bad for my first try. Alright, let this cook for a little bit and I'll be right back and see the final product. Alright guys, so I ended up taking the mussels out of the shell and just throwing them in with everything. This is the final product here. You could have the mussels on the side and take them out of the shell as you go, but I just wanted it all in one thing. So we'll top this off with some fresh cilantro. And a little squeeze of fresh lime. And we are ready to eat. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Stay tuned for more episodes. Let's try it. Let's try it out here. It looks delicious and it tastes delicious, and that is spicy. Woo. And for those of you who don't know, that's actually not my original line. That's actually from Ty's Conscious Kitchen. If you search Ty's Conscious Kitchen on YouTube, he makes all recipes that are vegan and Dr. Sebi approved ingredients. So look him up. Also forgot to add the avocado. I'm going to serve that on top. All right, guys. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.